pictures. One of the deities that I use is a Egyptian deity, Heteru, who is the really the deity of the sacral chakra. But what is actually really fascinating for me is if we think about Hatha Yoga and we kind of question what does Hatha Yoga, what does Hatha actually mean, then most people would say that Hatha means moving between the kind of light and the dark, or moving from darkness into light, or union of the sun and the moon. And of course, in the Sanskrit language, the sun is Surya and the moon is Chandra. And so we're not seeing anything really in Hathor to do with the sun and moon. However, when we look at the Egyptian goddess, Heteru, who is known as Hathor by the Romans, now what does she do? She literally unites the sun and the moon. Hatha, as in Hatha Yoga. So on her head, she has the crescent moon and the solar disk on her head, Hathor. And so I would suggest that the term Hathor that we use in yoga, Hatha Yoga, actually comes from this Egyptian goddess, Hathor. So she's one of the ones that I have on the cards for the sacral chakra, because it is that union of the sun and the moon and coming into a greater understanding of the moon, water energy, and sacral chakra. So we have Heteru, we have Orset as the kind of relating to the root chakra as one of the primordial goddesses. We got Sekhmet, we got a whole heap of them. We got Jehuti, different Egyptian ones that relate to all of the different chakras.